Imagine standing at the edge of your own life, looking back at decades of strength, confidence, and passion. You remember the fire of your younger years, when your body responded with ease, when desire met ability, and when intimacy was effortless. But as the years passed, something began to change. Slowly, almost invisibly at first, the flame flickered. Erections that once came naturally became uncertain, weaker, and sometimes absent altogether. It is a choice to fight back against the slow erosion of age, to reject decline as inevitable, and to step boldly into a future where vitality is not just a memory, but a living reality. The question is no longer whether time has taken your strength. The question is, are you ready to take it back?
Why things change after 50. Gentlemen, let's face a truth most men try to ignore. You wake up one morning and something feels different. What was once automatic now takes effort. What was once strong and unshakable suddenly feels unreliable, even fragile. Erections that used to arrive with the ease of breathing now appear only after struggle, and sometimes not at all. At first, you dismiss it. Maybe you were tired, maybe stressed. But as the years roll on, the quiet truth becomes louder. Your body is changing. This change is not sudden. It creeps in year by year, like a thief in the night. At first, the signs are small, a little less firmness, a little less stamina. Then comes hesitation, the doubt that strikes at the worst possible moment. And behind that doubt lurks something deeper than frustration: fear. Fear that manhood itself is slipping away. Fear that age has drawn a line you cannot cross back over. But let me tell you something critical. You are not broken, and this is not your fault. What you are experiencing is not weakness of character, but a natural shift happening deep inside your body. And once you understand these shifts, you hold the power to fight them. Here's what's really happening. First, the pelvic floor, the hidden web of muscles that once gave you control, strength, and endurance, begins to weaken while also tightening. It sounds impossible, but it's true. Like a rubber band stretched too long, the snap is gone, the strength has faded, leaving only tension that chokes circulation instead of fueling it. Next, your blood vessels, the very highways that deliver life to your manhood, begin to harden and narrow. They no longer expand like they once did. Blood flow slows, and without that surge of vitality, firmness fades. And then the nerves, the fragile messengers of pleasure and sensation. Years of sitting, stress, bad posture, even tiny scars from inflammation, all of it builds up, strangling the very signals that once ignited arousal. What should be music is reduced to static. This is why intimacy changes after 50. Not because desire disappears, not because masculinity fades, but because the machinery of the body has shifted. Yet, here's the good news. None of this is permanent. These are not the signs of defeat. They are signals, your body calling out for help, for circulation, for release. And the answer lies in a single hidden spot most men never touch, never notice, and never use. 2. The secret spot, the perineum. Now that you know why things shift after 50, let me reveal something almost no man ever hears, not from his doctor, not from his friends, not even from decades of health advice. There exists a hidden place on your body, a place so overlooked that most men live their entire lives without giving it a single thought. Yet, inside this small stretch of skin lies a power that can transform your manhood. This place is the perineum. Some traditions call it the $1,000,000 point. And once you understand it, you'll see why. Think about this for a moment. Beneath this tiny patch, smaller than the palm of your hand, the most vital systems of your male body converge. The blood vessels that fuel your erections pass directly beneath it, like pipelines carrying the lifeblood of your masculinity. The nerves that carry sensation and pleasure flow right through it. Without them, intimacy becomes muted, like a song played through broken speakers. Even the root of your penis, the very foundation of your strength, anchors in this spot. And just above it sits the prostate, the hidden organ that shapes both your sexual and urinary health. Everything, blood, nerves, muscle, prostate, intersect here. And that means when problems appear with circulation, sensitivity, or pelvic strength, this is often the crossroads where they gather. But here's where things get extraordinary. By massaging the perineum, you send a wake-up call to every one of those systems at once. Blood begins to flow again. Nerves light up with clarity. The tension in the pelvic floor releases, making space for strength to return. Men describe it like unclogging a traffic jam deep inside their pelvis. Suddenly, everything moves again. Everything feels alive. Ancient healers knew this. For centuries, they passed down the wisdom of the million-dollar point. Today, science is finally catching up, confirming what tradition always whispered. This spot is not just skin. It's a gateway to circulation, vitality, and potency. And here's the best part. Accessing it requires no surgery, no prescription, no expensive machine. Just your own fingertips, a bit of patience, and 60 seconds of gentle focus. The secret has been hiding in plain sight your entire life. Now it's time to reclaim it. Because once you learn how to find and massage this point correctly, you'll hold in your hands a tool more powerful than any pill, one that restores not just your function, but your confidence as a man. 3. How to find and massage it. Now that you know the secret lies in the perineum, the million-dollar point, the question becomes simple. How do you find it, and what do you do once you do? Imagine me guiding you as if you were sitting right in my office, my voice steady, my hand showing you step by step. This spot is located in the narrow stretch of skin between your scrotum and your anus. It's not a place most men ever explore, which is why at first it may feel strange, even awkward. But I promise you, once you locate it, you'll know. Here's what to look for. Gently press with 2 fingers, your index and middle finger together, right in the center of that area. As you apply light pressure, you'll notice a soft indentation, tender to the touch, almost as if your body is whispering, "Yes, this is the place." That slight sensitivity is not a warning sign. It's confirmation that you've discovered the right spot. Now comes the technique. Think of pressing on a ripe tomato, firm enough to feel its structure, gentle enough not to crush it. That's the level of pressure you want. Begin with small circles, 30 seconds clockwise, then 30 seconds counterclockwise. That 1 minute is enough to start waking up your circulation and loosening years of hidden tension. If circles don't feel natural, don't worry. Some men prefer a light up and down motion, others find a rhythm in pressing firmly for 5 seconds, then releasing for 5 seconds like a gentle pump that encourages blood to surge. There's no single, perfect way, only the way that feels right for your body. And here's the golden rule. Never force it. This is not about digging hard or punishing yourself. Too much pressure will only bring soreness. This is about encouragement, a signal to your body to open, to flow, to respond again. With practice, the awkwardness fades. Within days, many men notice subtle changes, more warmth, more ease, even a soft pulsing as new blood rushes into places long neglected.
4. Oils that make it work better. You could stop here, massaging the perineum with nothing but your fingertips and still see results. But over decades of guiding men through this practice, I've discovered something extraordinary. When you bring the right oils into this ritual, it transforms. It becomes smoother, deeper, and far more powerful. Think of it this way. Oil is not just about reducing friction. It's medicine in liquid form. It soothes the skin, calms inflammation, awakens circulation, and nourishes the very tissues that have been ignored for years. The right oil doesn't just sit on the surface, it penetrates, carrying healing properties into the muscles, vessels, and nerves beneath. Let me share the champions of this practice. First, castor oil. Used for centuries in traditional medicine, it's renowned for its unique ability to sink deeply into tissue.
Its secret weapon is ricinoleic acid, a compound that reduces inflammation while stimulating blood flow at the same time. When massaged into the perineum, men often describe a gentle warmth that lingers, a sign that circulation is coming back to life. Next, virgin coconut oil. Smooth, soothing, and naturally antibacterial, this oil is ideal for men with sensitive skin. It glides effortlessly, absorbs cleanly, and even supports hormonal balance. And let's be honest, it smells a whole lot better than castor oil. Many men begin here because comfort is key to building consistency. For those who want potency turned up a notch, there is black seed oil. In the Middle East, it's been called the oil that cures everything but death. Modern studies link it to improved blood flow, better testosterone support, and overall vitality. It's harder to find and a little more expensive, but for some men, it feels like striking gold. 5. Why it works. The science. At first glance, pressing on a hidden spot for just 60 seconds sounds too simple, too easy, almost unbelievable. But when you understand the science, what's actually happening inside your body, suddenly the pieces click together. This isn't magic. It's biology. It's physiology. And it's the reason thousands of men feel their strength return when they commit to this one small act. The first effect is blood flow. When erections live and die by circulation, when you massage the perineum, you act like a pump, squeezing out stagnant blood and inviting fresh, oxygen-rich blood back in. Every pulse of pressure clears blockages and encourages flow. That warmth men often describe during or after the massage, that's not imagination. That's life returning to the tissues that fuel your potency. The second effect is nerve awakening. Over time, nerves in the pelvic region can become compressed by stress, by tight muscles, by decades of sitting. When that happens, the signals of pleasure, arousal, and response grow faint. Massage decompresses those nerves, clearing the static. It's like wiping dust off an electrical wire. The current flows clean, and the messages arrive sharp and strong. The third effect reaches your prostate. Positioned just above the perineum, this small gland depends on healthy circulation. As blood begins to move freely again, the prostate benefits. Congestion eases, hormones regulate more efficiently, and urinary symptoms often improve. Men who once woke up multiple times at night often find themselves sleeping soundly again. The fourth effect is muscle release. Your pelvic floor, the hidden network of muscles controlling urination, orgasm, and erection, often becomes tight and knotted with age. The problem? Most men don't even realize it. By massaging this one point, you release those trigger spots, easing the tension that strangles circulation and weakens support. Suddenly, everything works more smoothly, more powerfully. And then comes the fifth effect, perhaps the most underestimated: your nervous system. This simple massage activates the parasympathetic state, the part of your body designed for relaxation, healing, and restoration. Stress hormones like cortisol, silent killers of desire, drop. In their place comes calm, clarity, and a body ready for intimacy rather than locked in fight or flight. All of these effects, circulation, nerves, prostate support, muscle release, and nervous system balance, happen together, layered in harmony. That's why something so small, so simple, carries such profound power. But knowing why it works is only the beginning. To truly unlock the benefits, you must know when to do it and how often. That's the next key.
6. Timing and frequency. One of the first questions men always ask me is, "Doctor, when should I do this massage, and how often?" The answer, gentlemen, is simple, but it's also powerful, because in this practice, timing is everything. Think of your body like a symphony. There are moments when the instruments are loud and ready, and moments when they're quiet and subdued. If you know when to step in and conduct, you amplify the music instead of fighting against it. The same is true here. Morning is one of the best times to practice. Why? Because testosterone, the very hormone of strength, drive, and manhood, is naturally at its peak. By massaging the perineum soon after waking, you align with your body's rhythm. You take the spark of morning vitality and fan it into a flame. Men who do this often report more energy throughout the day, firmer, spontaneous erections, and a sense of vigor they thought was long gone. But don't ignore the evening. A short, gentle 1-minute massage before bed has its own magic. It soothes the nervous system, calms the pelvic floor, and quiets stress hormones. The result? Deeper sleep, steadier mood, and stronger nighttime and morning erections. Many men discover their best results by using this moment as a nightly ritual, a bridge into rest. Now, about frequency. If you're just beginning, start slow, every other day. Give your body time to adapt, to wake up without soreness. After a week, move to once daily. And for those who truly want to maximize the benefits, twice daily, morning and night, creates a rhythm of renewal that compounds with time. But here's the golden rule: consistency beats intensity. 1 minute done every day is infinitely more powerful than 30 minutes done once a week. Think of it like exercise. You don't build strength by exhausting yourself in one marathon session. You build it by showing up again and again, layer upon layer, until transformation is undeniable. And here's a secret tip. If intimacy is planned, try the massage 2 to 3 hours beforehand. That way, you prime your system without overstimulating it, leaving you ready, confident, and steady when the moment comes. Remember, your body doesn't need punishment. It needs rhythm, encouragement, and steady practice. Master the timing, respect the frequency, and you'll unlock the full force of this hidden power. That, gentlemen, is the true gift of this practice. So now I ask you, what will you choose? To drift quietly into decline, or to take back control, 1 minute at a time? Your body is waiting. The power is literally in your hands. 60 seconds a day, that's the investment. And the return? Strength, confidence, vitality, life. The choice is yours.